Jack here, and today we're looking at the VEVOR hanging scale or crane scale. This is the 880 pound, 400 kilogram version, and full disclosure, it was sent to me for free for an honest review. This is a heavy duty inline or crane style scale that's great for weighing things by hanging them from a pulley or from the ceiling or from pulling between two objects. Take a look at the solid heavy duty construction. It does come with the arms disconnected, so take a look at how that's supposed to be put together. There actually is a tape measure built in that's up to 40 inches for measuring what it is you're hanging. And operating the device is very simple. There's a quick button here to turn it on and off. Once it's on, you can go through the different units. And then there's also the ability to zero out the weight with the zero button. Scale does have two different modes. Mode 1, when you pull the weight, it will register the weight, but then it'll return to zero once you let off of the weight. Mode 2 is it'll actually hold the maximum value of whatever weight happened to be pulled when you were using the scale. By default, that hold function is off, which means when I pull and add weight to the scale, it'll register the weight, but when I let go, it'll return to zero. To switch modes, simply power off the device, hold down the 0 tare button, press it again, it'll say H on. Now it will display the maximum value even when you let off the weight. You can see we got up to 15.6 pounds and it will remain on the screen until you hit the 0 button again. Now, one of the most common uses for a scale like this is measuring draw weight on a bow. So to do that, we're gonna hook the one end into the D loop and we'll go ahead and zero it out. And then we're just gonna take the other hand and pull it to its stop and then slowly let it out. We'll see on the display, the scale will again remember that highest value because we set the hold function. And you can see we're reading 58.8 pounds, which without a device like this, it's pretty difficult to determine what the draw weight is on a bow. So if you're looking to figure that out, this is a good device. Or if you just wanna weigh anything by hanging it or by pulling it across a tow line, I think this VEVOR hanging scale with an 880 pound capacity is a really solid option. Hopefully this video helped your purchase decision. Thanks so much for watching.